Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the aspect ratio in this device. Open the camera. Now you can see the aspect ratio, you can see. So let me show you how to change this ratio. For this, tap on the arrow button on the top side. So here you can see now the aspect ratio is 4:3. So let me show you how to change this one. Tap on this one. So here you can see all the aspect ratio. So according to your choice, you can select any one from here, 4:3 square and 16:9. So if you want to change the square, tap on this one. You can see this 1:1. Now let me show you. Just wait. You can see, right? If you want to change the 4:3, tap on this one. If you want to change to 16:9, like this, you can see the change, right? So simply in this way you can change the aspect ratio in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.